So hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain my answers for the addressing mode exercises and address calculations. So I'll go through each part step by step so you can see how I arrived at the result. So for exercise 1, the goal is to identify which addressing mode is used in each instruction. So for number 1, this is register addressing mode because both operands are registers. For number two, this is direct addressing. So the instruction directly uses a memory address, which is the 1234H. So for number three, this is register indirect addressing. So the actual memory address comes from the value stored in SI. For number four, this uses base index addressing mode. It adds BP and DI to form the memory address. So for number five, this is indexed with displacement. We use SI plus a constant value. So for number six, this is register addressing mode since both operands are registers. For number seven, this is based with displacement mode because it uses BP plus a displacement value. For number eight, this uses immediate addressing mode. The actual value is the 5678H is given in the instruction. So for number nine, this is a register indirect addressing using BX to point to a memory address. So for exercise number two, here I was asked to write sample instructions showing each addressing mode. So for number one, for the immediate addressing, so move AX055AAH. So the value is given directly into this in the instruction. So this is immediate mode. So for number two, register addressing. So here, it says copy the context of BX into AX. So my answer here is move AX BX. So both operands are registered, so it's register move. For number three, direct addressing. So my answer is move AX open close bracket 1234H. So the memory location is directly written in the instruction. So for number four, register indirect addressing. So my answer is move AX open close bracket SI. So the address is taken from SI, so it's indirect. For number five, move AL open close bracket DI plus 10H. So we add DI plus a displacement. So this is a index move. For number six, the base index addressing. So move AX open close bracket BX plus SI. So the final memory address is formed by adding BX and SI. So for exercise number three, the exercise checks if you can compute the physical address used by an instruction. So for number one, to compute the physical address, you multiply segment by 10H. So it is 2000 H times 10H equals 20,000 H. And then add the offset which is 1,000. So physical address equals 20,000 plus 1,000 H equals to 21,000 H. So for number two, the given is BX is equals to 1234H and the SI is 4321H. So we add everything. So 1234H plus 4321H plus 0010H equals 5,565H. Then add the segment which is 2,000 H times 10 H equals 20,000 H. So 20,000 H plus 5,565 H equals to 25,565 H. So for exercise number four, the debug and analyze. Now I'll explain the addressing modes and the final value of AX. So for number one, it says identify the addressing modes used in each instruction. So for move AX open close bracket SI, this is register indirect addressing because the memory address comes from SI. So for the second one, the move SI 2000H, it is immediate addressing because we load a direct value into SI. So for number three, add AX open close bracket SI plus 10H. This is based with displacement mode because it adds SI plus 10H to get the address. So for the last one, it is register indirect addressing since DI contains the address where AX will be stored. So to find the AX value, so the given problem, memory at 2000H equals 1234H, and then memory at 2000H plus 10H equals 5678H. So the program does AX equals 1234H plus 5678H equals 68ACH. So that's the final value of AX. So for exercise number 5, practical problem. So this exercise requires writing a small program that uses different addressing modes. So step 1, load value into memory 3000H. So move AX A, B, C, D, H. So move open close bracket 3000H AX. So the second line uses direct addressing. So step 2, retrieve the value back to AX. So move AX open close bracket 3000H. Again, this is direct addressing. So for step 3, copy AX to BX using register mode. So move BX AX. So both operands are registered, so this is a register address. So for step 4, store BX into memory using register indirect. So we assume DI is equals to 4000H. So move DI 4000H, then move open close bracket DI DX. So here DI means we store to the memory location pointed to by DI, which is register indirect address. And that's the full explanation for all the exercises. I covered each addressing mode, each sample instructions, the address calculation, and how the values change in the program. That's all. Thank you.